We're back. This is a 1974 Rupp, made by Skidoo, who was a snowmobile company. It's got a centrifugal clutch in it, single engine, and this is one of the original motorcycles I owned when I used to work for Rick Case in Akron, Ohio. We sold these, and this was my first motorcycle bike, a three-wheeler. Great little machine, ran good, comfortable. Everybody wanted one. This was during the gas crisis. But as you can see, it's a great piece of machinery. And this is the ad that went with it at that time. What a machine. Such history.